Hi, I'm Patrick Perry. I'd like to show you Tokyo, Japan Wikipedia. I'd like to show you. I'm gonna read. Okay, this is a Tokyo, Japan Wikipedia. Let's see you read out loud.
Tokyo. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This article is about the Japanese prefecture and its city. For other uses, see Tokyo, disambiguation. Tokyo. Metropolis. Tokyo Metropolis. Clockwise from top, Nishi Shinjuku skyscrapers and Mount Fuji, Rainbow Bridge, National Diet Building, Tokyo Station in Marunouchi, Shibuya Crossing, Tokyo Skytree. Flag. Symbol. Anthem, Tokyo Metropolitan Song, Tokyo Taka. Location within Japan. Wikimedia copyright OpenStreetMap. Coordinates, 35°4123 and 139°4132 E. Coordinates, 35°4123 and 139°4132 E. Country. Japan. Region. Kanto. Island. Honshu. Capital. Tokyo 1. Divisions. 23 special wards, 26 cities, 1 district, and 4 sub-prefectures. Government. Body. Tokyo Metropolitan Government. Governor. Yuriko Koike, TF. Representatives. 42. Councillors. 11. Area. 2. Total. 2,194.07 square kilometers, 847.14 square miles. Area rank. 45th in Japan. Highest elevation. 3. 2,017 meters, 6,617 feet. Lowest elevation. 0 meters, 0 feet. Population. 2021, 4. Total. 13,960,236. Rank. First in Japan. Density. 6,363/km2, 16,480/sq mi. Metro. 5. 37,468,000, 2018, Greater Tokyo Area, first in the world. Demonym, S. Tokyoite. GDP. 2018, 6. Total, nominal. 106.6 trillion yen, US dollar 1.0 trillion. Per capita. 7.7 million yen, US dollar 70,000. Time zone. UTC plus 9 o'clock, Japan Standard Time. ISO 3166-2. JP13. Flower. Yoshino cherry. Tree. Ginkgo. Bird. Black-headed gull. Website. www.metro.tokyo.lg.jp. Tokyo. Tokyo in kanji. Japanese name. Kanji. Hiragana. Katakana. Kyojita. Show transcriptions. Tokyo, /Tokyo/Tokyo/Keijo/Kyo, Japanese, Tokyo Toko, listen, officially the Tokyo Metropolis, Japanese, Tokyo-to, is the de facto capital Note 17 and most populous prefecture of Japan. Located at the head of Tokyo Bay, the prefecture forms part of the Kanto region on the central Pacific coast of Japan's main island of Honshu. Tokyo is the political and economic center of the country, as well as the seat of the Emperor of Japan and the national government. As of 2021, The prefecture has an estimated population of 13,960,236. The Greater Tokyo area is the most populous metropolitan area in the world, with more than 37.393 million residents as of 2025. Originally a fishing village, named Edo, the city became a prominent political center in 1603, when it became the seat of the Tokugawa shogunate. By the mid-18th century, Edo was one of the most populous cities in the world at over 1 million. Following the end of the shogunate in 1868, the imperial capital in Kyoto was moved to the city, which was renamed Tokyo, literally Eastern Capital. Tokyo was devastated by the 1923 Great Kanto earthquake, and again by Allied bombing raids during World War II. Beginning in the 1950s, the city underwent rapid reconstruction and expansion, going on to lead Japan's post-war economic recovery. Since 1943, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government has administered the prefecture's 23 special wards, formerly Tokyo City, various bed towns in the western area, and 2 outlying island chains. Tokyo is the largest urban economy in the world by gross domestic product, and is categorized as an Alpha Plus city by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. Part of an industrial region that includes the cities of Yokohama, Kawasaki, and Chiba, Tokyo is Japan's leading center of business and finance. In 2019, it hosted 36 of the Fortune Global 500 companies. 8 in 2020, it ranked 4th on the Global Financial Centers Index, behind New York City, London, and Shanghai. 9 Tokyo has the world's tallest tower, Tokyo Skytree. 10 and the world's largest underground floodwater diversion facility, Mutke. 11 The Tokyo Metro Ginza Line is the oldest underground metro line in East Asia, 1927. 12 The city has hosted multiple international events, including the 1964 Summer Olympics and 3 G7 summits, 1979, 1986, and 1993. It will also host the 2020 Summer Olympics, which were ultimately postponed to 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Tokyo is an international center of research and development and is represented by several major universities, notably the University of Tokyo. Tokyo Station is the central hub for Japan's Shinkansen bullet train system, and the city is served by an extensive network of rail and subways. Notable districts of Tokyo include Chiyoda, the site of the Imperial Palace, Shinjuku, the city's administrative center, and Shibuya, a commercial, cultural, and business hub. Contents: 1. Etymology. 2. History. 2.1 Pre-1869, Edo period. 2.2 1869 to 1943. 2.3 1943 to 1945. 2.4 1945, present. 3. Geography and government. 3.1 Special wards. 3.2 Tama area, Western Tokyo. 3.3 Islands. 3.4 National parks. 3.5 Earthquakes. 3.6 Volcanic eruptions. 3.7 Water management. 3.8 Climate. 4 Cityscape. 5 Environment. 6 Demographics. 7 Economy. 8 Transportation. 9 Education. 10 Culture. 11 Sports. 12 In popular culture. 13 International relations. 13.1 Sister cities and states. 13.2 Friendship and cooperation agreements. 13.3 International academic and scientific research. 14 See also. 15 Notes. 16 References. 17 Bibliography. 18 Further reading. 18.1 Guides. 18.2 Contemporary. 19 External links. Etymology. Tokyo was originally known as Edo, a kanji compound of e, cove, inlet, and to, entrance, gate, door. 13 The name, which can be translated as estuary, is a reference to the original settlement's location at the meeting of the Sumida River and Tokyo Bay. During the Meiji Restoration in 1868, the name of the city was changed to Tokyo, from to East, and Kyo capital, when it became the new imperial capital 14 in line with the East Asian tradition of including the word capital, in the name of the capital city, for example, Kyoto, Kiho, Beijing, Nanjing, and Zhejiang. 13 During the early Meiji period, the city was sometimes called Tokii, an alternative pronunciation for the same characters representing Tokyo, making it a kanji homograph. Some surviving official English documents use the spelling Tokii 15. However, this pronunciation is now obsolete. 16. History. Main articles, History of Tokyo and Timeline of Tokyo. Pre-1869, Edo period. Main article, Edo. Tokyo was originally a small fishing village, Edo, in what was formerly part of the old Musashi province. Edo was first fortified by the Edo clan, in the late 12th century. In 1457, Odaedokan built Edo Castle. In 1590, Tokugawa Ieyasu moved from Mikawa province, his lifelong base, to the Kanto region. When he became shogun in 1603, Edo became the center of his ruling. During the subsequent Edo period, Edo grew into one of the largest cities in the world with a population topping 1 million by the 18th century. 17 But Edo was still the home of the Tokugawa shogunate and not the capital of Japan. The emperor himself lived in Kyoto from 794 to 1868. 18 During the Edo era, the city enjoyed a prolonged period of peace known as the Pax Tokugawa, and in the presence of such peace, Edo adopted a stringent policy of seclusion, which helped to perpetuate the lack of any serious military threat to the city. 19. The absence of war-inflicted devastation allowed Edo to devote the majority of its resources to rebuilding in the wake of the consistent fires, earthquakes, and other devastating natural disasters that plagued the city. However, this prolonged period of seclusion came to an end with the arrival of American Commodore Matthew C. Perry in 1853. Commodore Perry forced the opening of the ports of Shimoda and Hakodate, leading to an increase in the demand for new foreign goods and subsequently a severe rise in inflation. 20 Social unrest mounted in the wake of these higher prices and culminated in widespread rebellions and demonstrations, especially in the form of the smashing of rice establishments. 21 Meanwhile, supporters of the Meiji Emperor leveraged the disruption that these widespread rebellious demonstrations were causing to further consolidate power by overthrowing the last Tokugawa shogun, Yoshinobu, in 1867-22. After 265 years, the Pax Tokugawa came to an end. Kide Sharan, 1805. It illustrates scenes from the Edo period taking place along the Nihonbashi main street in Tokyo. Gallery. Edo Castle, 17th century. Commodore Matthew Perry expedition and his first arrival in Japan in 1853. Famous Edo places. Yamanote, above, Nihonbashi, center, and Shitamakia, below, circa 1858. Tsurugi Street with Mount Fuji by Hiroshige, 1856. 1869 to 1943. Main articles, Tokyo City and Tokyo Prefecture. In 1869, the 17-year-old Emperor Meiji moved to Edo, and in accordance, the city was renamed Tokyo, meaning Eastern Capital. The city was divided into Yamanote and Shitamakia. Tokyo was already the nation's political and cultural center. 23 And the emperor's residence made it a de facto imperial capital as well, with the former Edo Castle becoming the imperial palace. The city of Tokyo was officially established on May 1, 1889. The Tokyo Metro Ginza Line portion between Ueno and Asakusa was the first subway line built in Japan and East Asia, completed on December 30, 1927. 12 Central Tokyo, like Osaka, has been designed since about 1900 to be centered on major railway stations in a high-density fashion, so suburban railways were built relatively cheaply at street level and with their own right-of-way. Though expressways have been built in Tokyo, the basic design has not changed. Citation needed. Tokyo went on to suffer two major catastrophes in the 20th century, the 1923 Great Kanto earthquake, which left 140,000 dead or missing, and World War II. 24. Gallery. The 1870s Chuodori Terraces in Tokyo. Aerial view of the Sumida River with Teidoku, west, and Sumidaku, east, in Tokyo, c. 1930. Nihonbashi after Great Kanto earthquake, September 1, 1923. Ginza area in 1933. The first underground railway in the Orient, Tokyo Underground, opened on December 30, 1927. 1943 to 1945. Main article, Bombing of Tokyo. In 1943, the city of Tokyo merged with the prefecture of Tokyo to form the Metropolitan Prefecture of Tokyo. Since then, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government served as both the prefecture government for Tokyo, as well as administering the special wards of Tokyo, for what had previously been Tokyo City. World War II wreaked widespread destruction of most of the city due to the persistent Allied air raids on Japan and the use of incendiary bombs. The bombing of Tokyo in 1944 and 1945 is estimated to have killed between 75,000 and 200,000 civilians and left more than half of the city destroyed. 25 The deadliest night of the war came on March 9 to 10, 1945, the night of the American Operation Meeting House Raid 26, as nearly 700,000 incendiary bombs rained on the eastern half of the city, mainly in heavily residential wards. 2/5 of the city were completely burned, more than 276,000 buildings were demolished, 100,000 civilians were killed, and 110,000 more were injured. 27-28. Between 1940 and 1945, the population of Japan's capital city dwindled from 6,700,000 to less than 2,800,000, with the majority of those who lost their homes living in ramshackle, makeshift huts. 29. Gallery. Tokyo bombing in 1945. Aftermath of Tokyo bombing in March 1945. Nihonbashi in 1946. 1945, present. After the war, Tokyo became the base from which the United States under Douglas MacArthur administered Japan for 6 years. Tokyo struggled to rebuild as occupation authorities stepped in and drastically cut back on Japanese government rebuilding programs, focusing instead on simply improving roads and transportation. Tokyo did not experience fast economic growth until the 1950s-30. After the occupation of Japan ended in 1952, Tokyo was completely rebuilt and was showcased to the world during the 1964 Summer Olympics. The 1970s brought new high-rise developments. In 1978, Sunshine 60, the tallest skyscraper in Asia until 1985-31, and Narita International Airport were constructed, and the population increased to about 11 million in the metropolitan area. 32 The Edo Tokyo Open Air Architectural Museum has historic Japanese buildings that existed in the urban landscape of pre-war Tokyo. Tokyo's subway and commuter rail network became one of the busiest in the world. 33 As more and more people moved to the area. In the 1980s, real estate prices skyrocketed during a real estate and debt bubble. The bubble burst in the early 1990s, and many companies, banks, and individuals were caught with mortgage-backed debts while real estate was shrinking in value. A major recession followed, making the 1990s Japan's lost decade. 34 from which it is now slowly recovering. Tokyo still sees new urban developments on large lots of less profitable land. Recent projects include Ebisu Garden Place, Tennozu Isle, Shiodome, Roppongi Hills, Shinagawa, now also a Shinkansen station, and the Marunouchi side of Tokyo Station. Buildings of significance have been demolished for more up-to-date shopping facilities such as Omotesando Hills. 35. Land reclamation projects in Tokyo have also been going on for centuries. The most prominent is the Odaiba area, now a major shopping and entertainment center. Various plans have been proposed. 36 For transferring national government functions from Tokyo to secondary capitals in other regions of Japan, to slow down rapid development in Tokyo and revitalize economically lagging areas of the country. These plans have been controversial 37 within Japan and have yet to be realized. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami that devastated much of the northeastern coast of Honshu was felt in Tokyo. However, due to Tokyo's earthquake-resistant infrastructure, damage in Tokyo was very minor compared to areas directly hit by the tsunami. 38 Although activity in the city was largely halted. 39 The subsequent nuclear crisis caused by the tsunami has also largely left Tokyo unaffected, despite occasional spikes in radiation levels. 41 In 2015, the tap water radioactivity was still higher in Tokyo compared to other cities in Japan. 42 On September 7, 2013, the IOC selected Tokyo to host the 2020 Summer Olympics. Tokyo was supposed to be the first Asian city to host the Olympic Games twice. 43 However, due to the global outbreak and economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic, the 2020 Summer Olympics Games were ultimately postponed to 2021, and it is unclear how the city will deal with an increasing number of issues, urging scholars to offer possible alternatives approaches to tackle the most urgent problems. 44 Gallery. Tokyo Tower, built in 1958. Yoyogi National Gymnasium, built for the 1964 Summer Olympics. Sunshine 60, tallest building in Asia until 1985. Geography and Government. Main articles: Tokyo Metropolitan Government and list of mergers in Tokyo. Satellite photo of Tokyo in 2018 taken by ESA Sentinel-2. Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. The mainland portion of Tokyo lies northwest of Tokyo Bay and measures about 90 kilometers 56 miles east to west and 25 kilometers 16 miles north to south. The average elevation in Tokyo is 40 m, 131 feet. 45 Chiba Prefecture borders it to the east, Yamanashi to the west, Kanagawa to the south, and Saitama to the north. Mainland Tokyo is further subdivided into the special wards, occupying the eastern half, and the Tama area, stretching westwards. Tokyo has a latitude of 35.65, near the 36th parallel north, which makes it more southern than Rome, 41.90, Madrid, 40.41, and New York City, 40.71. 46. Also within the administrative boundaries of Tokyo metropolis are two island chains in the Pacific Ocean directly south, the Izu Islands, and the Ogasawara Islands, which stretch more than 1,000 kilometers 620 miles away from the mainland. Because of these islands and the mountainous regions to the west, Tokyo's overall population density figures far underrepresent the real figures for the urban and suburban regions of Tokyo. 47. Under Japanese law, Tokyo is designated as A2, translated as Metropolis. 48. Its administrative structure is similar to that of Japan's other prefectures. The 23 special wards, Tokubutsuku, which until 1943 constituted the city of Tokyo, are self-governing municipalities, each having a mayor, a council, and the status of a city. In addition to these 23 special wards, Tokyo also includes 26 more cities, shi, 5 towns, cho or maki, and 8 villages, sun or mura, each of which has a local government. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government administers the whole metropolis, including the 23 special wards and the cities and towns that constitute the prefecture. It is headed by a publicly elected governor and metropolitan assembly. Its headquarters is in Shinjuku Ward. Special wards. The special wards, Tokubutsuku, of Tokyo comprise the area formerly incorporated as Tokyo City. In the present day, this area is still often referred to as the City of Tokyo, although legally, no such entity exists. On July 1, 1943, Tokyo City was merged with Tokyo Prefecture, Tokyo-fu, forming the current Metropolitan Prefecture. As a result, unlike other city wards in Japan, these wards are not conterminous with the larger incorporated city citation needed. While falling under the jurisdiction of Tokyo Metropolitan Government, Each ward is also a borough with its own elected leader and council, like other cities of Japan. The special wards use the word city in their official English name, e.g. Chiyoda City. The wards differ from other cities in having a unique administrative relationship with the prefectural government. Certain municipal functions, such as waterworks, sewerage, and firefighting, are handled by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. To pay for the added administrative costs, the prefecture collects municipal taxes, which would usually be levied by the city 49. The special wards of Tokyo are 23 special wards of Tokyo. Place name. Area, km2. Population. Individual map. Color on map. Map of the special wards. Romaji. Kanji. 1. Adaku. 53.25. 674,067. Red. A map of Tokyo's special wards. 2. Arakawa. 10.16. 213,648. Green. 3. Bunkyo. 11.29. 223,389. Yellow. 4. Chiyoda. 11.66. 59,441. Orange. 5. Chuo. 10.21. 147,620. Green. 6. Edogawa. 49.9. 685,899. Green. 7. Itabashi. 32.22. 569,225. Yellow. 8. Katsushika. 34.8. 447,140. Yellow. 9. Kita. 20.61. 345,063. Orange. 10. Koto. 40.16. 502,579. Yellow. 11. Meguro. 14.67. 280,283. Orange. 12. Minato. 20.37. 248,071. Yellow. 13. Nakano. 15.59. 332,902. Yellow. 14. Nerima. 48.08. 726,748. Green. 15. Oda. 60.66. 722,608. Yellow. 16. Setagaya. 58.05. 910,868. Green. 17. Shibuya. 15.11. 227,850. Red. 18. Shinagawa. 22.84. 392,492. Green. 19. Shinjuku. 18.22. 339,211. Green. 20. Tsuchinami. 34.06. 570,483. Orange. 21. Sumida. 13.77. 260,358. Orange. 22. Tato. 10.11. 200,486. Red. 23. Toshima. 13.01. 294,673. Red. The three central wards of Tokyo, Chiyoda, Chuo, and Minato, are the business core of the city, with a daytime population more than 7 times higher than their nighttime population. 50. Chiyoda ward is unique in that it is in the very heart of the former Tokyo city, yet is one of the least populated wards. It is occupied by many major Japanese companies and is also the seat of the national government, and the Japanese emperor. It is often called the political center of the country. 51. Akihabara, known for being an otaku cultural center and a shopping district for computer goods, is also in Chiyoda. Tama area, Western Tokyo. To the west of the special wards, Tokyo metropolis consists of cities, towns, and villages that enjoy the same legal status as those elsewhere in Japan. While serving as bed towns for those working in central Tokyo, some of them also have a local commercial and industrial base, such as Tachikawa. Collectively, these are often known as the Tama area or Western Tokyo. Cities. See also, list of cities in Tokyo metropolis by population. 26 cities lie within the western part of Tokyo. These are cities of the Tama area. Place name. Area, KM2. Population. Individual map. Color on map. Map of the Tama area. Romaji. Kanji. 1. Akirano. 73.47. 80,464. Yellow. A map of cities in the western part of Tokyo. They border on the 3 westernmost special wards in the map above. 2. Akishima. 17.34. 111,449. Orange. 3. Kofu. 21.58. 240,668. Red. 4. Fuku. 29.43. 260,891. Green. 5. Fusa. 10.16. 58,393. Red. 6. Hakaiji. 186.38. 579,330. Green. 7. Hamura. 9.9. 55,596. Green. 8. Higashikuruum. 12.88. 116,869. Orange. 9. Higashi Murayama. 17.14. 150,984. Green. 10. Higashi Yamato. 13.42. 85,229. Orange. 11. Hino. 27.55. 185,133. Yellow. 12. Inagi. 17.97. 87,927. Yellow. 13. Kios. 10.23. 74,495. Yellow. 14. Kodera. 20.51. 194,757. Red. 15. Kaganai. 11.3. 121,516. Orange. 16. Kokubunji. 11.46. 122,787. Yellow. 17. Komi. 6.39. 81,671. Green. 18. Kunitachi. 8.15. 75,867. Red. 19. Machida. 71.8. 429,040. Red. 20. Mitaka. 16.42. 189,168. Yellow. 21. Musashi Murayama. 15.32. 70,649. Yellow. 22. Musashino. 10.98. 143,686. Green. 23. Nishidakyo. 15.75. 200,102. Yellow. 24. Ohm. 103.31. 136,071. Orange. 25. Tachikawa. 24.36. 184,183. Green. 26. Tama. 21.01. 147,953. Orange. The Tokyo Metropolitan Government has designated Hakaiji, Tachikawa, Machida, Ohm and Tama New Town as regional centers of the Tama Area 52 as part of its plans to relocate urban functions away from central Tokyo. Nishi-Tama District. Map of Nishi-Tama District in green. The far west of the Tama area is occupied by the district, Gun, of Nishi-Tama. Much of this area is mountainous and unsuitable for urbanization. The highest mountain in Tokyo, Mount Kyomodori, is 2,017 meters 6,617 feet high. Other mountains in Tokyo include Takano-Suge, 1,737 meters 5,699 feet, Odake, 1,266 meters 4,154 feet, and Mitake, 929 meters 3,048 feet. Lake Okutama, on the Tama River near Yamanashi Prefecture, is Tokyo's largest lake. The district is composed of 3 towns, Hinode, Mizuho, and Okutama, and 1 village, Hinohara. Towns and villages of Nishi-Tama District. Place name. Area, km2. Population. District. Type. Map. Ramaji. Kanji. 1. Hinode. 28.07. 17,141. Nishi-Tama District. Town. 2. Hinohara. 105.41. 2,194. Village. 3. Mizuho. 16.85. 33,117. Town. 4. Okutama. 225.53. 5,177. Town. Tama. Hakaiji. Musashino. Islands. Map of the Izu Islands in black labels. Map of the Ogasawara Islands in black labels. Tokyo has numerous outlying islands, which extend as far as 1,850 kilometers 1,150 miles from central Tokyo. Because of the island's distance from the administrative headquarters of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government in Shinjuku, local sub-prefectural branch offices administer them. The Izu Islands are a group of volcanic islands and form part of the Fuji Hakone Izu National Park. The islands in order from closest to Tokyo are Izu Oshima, Toshima, Niijima, Shikinjima, Kozushima, Miyakejima, Mikurahima, Hakajojima, and Aogashima. The Izu Islands are grouped into 3 sub-prefectures. Izu Oshima and Hakajojima are towns. The remaining islands are 6 villages, with Nyajima and Chikinjima forming one village. The Ogasawara Islands include, from north to south, Shishijima, Nishinoshima, Hahajima, Kita Iwojima, and Minami Iwojima. Ogasawara also administers 2 tiny outlying islands, Minami Torishima, the easternmost point in Japan and at 1,850 kilometers 1,150 miles the most distant island from central Tokyo, and Okinatorishima, the southernmost point in Japan. 53 Japan's claim on an exclusive economic zone, EEZ, surrounding Okinatorishima is contested by China and South Korea as they regard Okinatorishima as uninhabitable rocks which have no EEZ. 54 The Iwo chain and the outlying islands have no permanent population, but hosts Japan's self-defense forces personnel. Local populations are only found on Shishijima and Hahajima. The islands form both Ogasawara Sub-Prefecture and the village of Ogasawara, Tokyo. Sub-Prefecture. Municipality. Kanji. Area, km2. Population. Type. Map. Hakajo. 72.23. 7,516. Town. Aogashima. 5.96. 169. Village. Miyake. 55.27. 2,451. Village. Mikurahima. 27.54. 328. Village. Oshima. 90.76. 7,762. Town. Toshima. 4.12. 309. Village. Nyajima. 27.54. 2,697. Village. Kojishima. 18.58. 1,856. Village. Ogasawara. 104.41. 3,029. Village. National Parks. Ogasawara National Park, a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. As of March 31, 2008, 36% of the total land area of the prefecture was designated as natural parks, second only to Shiga Prefecture, namely the Shishibu Tamakai, Fuji Hakone Izu, and Ogasawara National Parks, the last a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Miji no Mori Takao Quasi National Park, and Akikawa Kuryo, Hamuraku Sabana Kuryo, Sayama, Takao Jinba, Takiyama, and Tamakuryo Prefectural Natural Parks. 55. A number of museums are located in Ueno Park, Tokyo National Museum, National Museum of Nature and Science, Shitamaka Museum, and National Museum for Western Art, among others. There are also artworks and statues at several places in the park. There is also a zoo in the park, and the park is a popular destination to view cherry blossoms. Earthquakes. Minor quakes. A bilingual sign with instructions, in Japanese and English, in case of an earthquake, Shibuya. Tokyo is near the boundary of 3 plates, making it an extremely active region for smaller quakes and slippage which frequently affect the urban area with swaying as if in a boat, although epicenters within mainland Tokyo, excluding Tokyo's 2,000 kilometers, 1,243 miles, Long Island jurisdiction, are quite rare. It is not uncommon in the metro area to have hundreds of these minor quakes, magnitudes 4 to 6, that can be felt in a single year, something local residents merely brush off but can be a source of anxiety not only for foreign visitors but for Japanese from elsewhere as well. They rarely cause much damage, sometimes a few injuries, as they are either too small or far away as quakes tend to dance around the region. Particularly active are offshore regions and to a lesser extent Chiba and Ibaraki. 56. Infrequent powerful quakes. Tokyo has been hit by powerful megathrust earthquakes in 1703, 1782, 1812, 1855, 1923, and much more indirectly, with some liquefaction in landfill zones. In 2011 57-58 the frequency of direct and large quakes is a relative rarity. The 1923 earthquake, with an estimated magnitude of 8.3, killed 142,000 people, the last time the urban area was directly hit. The 2011 quake focus was hundreds of kilometers away and resulted in no direct deaths in the metropolitan area. Volcanic eruptions. Mount Fuji is about 100 kilometers 62 miles southwest of Tokyo. There is a low risk of eruption. The last recorded was the Hoai eruption, which started on December 16, 1707 and ended about January 1, 1708, 16 days. 59 During the Hoai eruption, the ash amount was 4 centimeters in southern Tokyo, Bay Area, and 2 centimeters to 0.5 centimeters in central Tokyo. 60 Kanagawa had 16 centimeters to 8 centimeters ash, and Saitama 0.5 to 0 centimeters. 60 If the wind blows northeast, it could send volcanic ash to Tokyo metropolis. 61 According to the government, less than a millimeter of the volcanic ash from a Mt. Fuji eruption could cause power grid problems such as blackouts and stop trains in the Tokyo metropolitan area. 61 A mixture of ash with rain could stick to cell phone antennas, power lines, and cause temporary power outages. 61 The affected areas would need to be evacuated. 61 Water management. The Muyuk is the world's largest underground diversion floodwater facility. Tokyo is located on the Kanto Plain with 5 river systems and dozens of rivers that expand during each season. 62 important rivers are Edogawa, Nakagawa, Arakawa, Kandagawa, Meguragawa and Tamagawa. 63 In 1947 Typhoon Kathleen struck Tokyo, destroying 31,000 homes and killing 1,100 people. 62 In 1958 Typhoon Ida inflicted 400 millimeters rain in 1 week, which flooded streets. 62 In the 1950s and 1960s, the government invested 6 to 7% of the national budget on disaster and risk reduction. 62 A huge system of dams, levees and tunnels was constructed. 62 The purpose is to manage heavy rain, typhoonic rain, and river floods. 62 Tokyo has currently the world's largest underground floodwater diversion facility called the Metropolitan Area Outer Underground Discharge Channel, MUDC. 1162. It took 13 years to build and was completed in 2006. The MUDC is a 6.3 kilometers long system of tunnels, 22 meters underground, with 70-meter tall cylindrical tanks, where each tank is large enough to fit a space shuttle or the Statue of Liberty. 62 During floods, excess water is collected from rivers and drained to the Edo River. 63 Low-lying areas of Koto, Edogawa, Sumida, Katsushika, Taito, and Arakawa near the Arakawa River are most at risk of flooding. 63 Climate. The former city of Tokyo and the majority of Tokyo Prefecture lie in the humid subtropical climate zone, Köppen climate classification CFA, 64 with hot, humid summers and mild to cool winters with occasional cold spells. The region, like much of Japan, experiences a 1-month seasonal lag, with the warmest month being August, which averages 26.4 degrees Celsius 79.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and the coolest month being January, averaging 5.2 degrees Celsius 41.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The record low temperature is 9.2 degrees C, 15.4 degrees Fahrenheit, on January 13, 1876, while the record high is 39.5 degrees Celsius 103.1 degrees Fahrenheit on July 20, 2004. The record highest low temperature is 30.3 degrees Celsius 86.5 degrees Fahrenheit on August 12, 2013, making Tokyo one of only 7 observation sites in Japan that have recorded a low temperature over 30 degrees Celsius, 86.0 degrees Fahrenheit. 65 Annual rainfall averages nearly 1,530 millimeters, 60.2 in, with a wetter summer and a drier winter. Snowfall is sporadic, but does occur almost annually. 66. Tokyo also often sees typhoons every year, though few are strong. The wettest month since records began in 1876 was October 2004, with 780 millimeters, 30 in, of rain. 67 including 270.5 millimeters, 10.65 in, on the 9th of that month. 68 The last of 4 months on record to observe no precipitation is December 1995. 65 Annual precipitation has ranged from 879.5 millimeters, 34.63 in 1984 to 2,229.6 millimeters, 87.78 in 1938. 65. Show climate data for Kitanomaru Park, Chiyoda Ward, Tokyo, 1981 to 2010. Normals, extremes 1875, present 69. Tokyo has experienced significant warming of its climate since temperature records began in 1876. High climate data for Tokyo, Japan, 1876 to 1905. Normals. Month: Jan, Feb, Mar, APR, May, June, Jul, Aug, Sep, Oct, Nov, Dec. Year. Average high degree C, degree F. 8.3, 46.9. 8.7, 47.7. 11.9, 53.4. 17.2, 63.0. 21.1, 70.0. 24.5, 76.1. 28.1, 82.6. 29.8, 85.6. 26.1, 79.0. 20.5, 68.9. 15.5, 59.9. 11.0, 51.8. 18.6, 65.5. Daily mean degree C, degree F. 2.9, 37.2. 3.6, 38.5. 6.9, 44.4. 12.4, 54.3. 16.6, 61.9. 20.5, 68.9. 24.1, 75.4. 25.5, 77.9. 22.1, 71.8. 15.9, 60.6. 10.2, 50.4. 5.3, 41.5. 13.8, 56.8. Average low degree C, degree F. 1.7, 28.9. 0.9, 30.4. 2.0, 35.6. 7.6, 45.7. 12.0, 53.6. 16.8, 62.2. 20.8, 69.4. 21.9, 71.4. 18.6, 65.5. 11.9, 53.4. 5.4, 41.7. 0.4, 32.7. 9.6, 49.3. Average precipitation mm, inches. 55.2, 2.17. 72.4, 2.85. 111.0, 4.37. 129.1, 5.08. 151.9, 5.98. 166.3, 6.55. 139.7, 5.50. 114.7, 4.52. 203.3, 8.00, 184.1, 7.25, 104.7, 4.12, 58.7, 2.31, 1491.1, 58.7. Source: Japan Meteorological Agency 73. The western mountainous area of mainland Tokyo, Okutama, also lies in the humid subtropical climate, Köppen classification CFA. Show climate data for Agoshi, Okutama Town, Tokyo, 1981 to 2010 normals. The climates of Tokyo's offshore territories vary significantly from those of the city. The climate of Shishijima in Ogasawara village is on the boundary between the tropical savanna climate, Köppen classification A, and the tropical rainforest climate, Köppen classification AF. It is approximately 1,000 kilometers 621 miles south of the Greater Tokyo area, resulting in different climatic conditions. Show climate data for Shishijima, Ogasawara, Tokyo, 1981 to 2010 normals. Tokyo's easternmost territory, the island of Minamidorishima in Ogasawara village, is in the tropical savanna climate zone, Köppen classification A. Tokyo's Izu and Ogasawara islands are affected by an average of 5.4 typhoons a year, compared to 3.1 in mainland Kanto 77. Cityscape. Architecture in Tokyo has largely been shaped by Tokyo's history. Twice in recent history has the metropolis been left in ruins, first in the 1923 Great Kanto earthquake and later after extensive firebombing in World War II. 78. Because of this, Tokyo's urban landscape consists mainly of modern and contemporary architecture, and older buildings are scarce. 78. Tokyo features many internationally famous forms of modern architecture, including Tokyo International Forum, Asahi Beer Hall, Mode Gakuen Cocoon Tower, NTT Docomo Yoyogi Building and Rainbow Bridge. Tokyo also features two distinctive towers, Tokyo Tower, and the new Tokyo Skytree, which is the tallest tower in both Japan and the world, and the second tallest structure in the world after the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. 10 Mori Building Co. started work on Tokyo's new tallest building, which is set to be finished in March 2023. The project will cost 580 billion yen, $5.5 billion. 79. Tokyo also contains numerous parks and gardens. There are 4 national parks in Tokyo Prefecture, including the Fuji Hakone Izu National Park, which includes all of the Izu Islands. Panoramic view of Tokyo from Tokyo Skytree. Environment. Tokyo has enacted a measure to cut greenhouse gases. Governor Shintaro Ishihara created Japan's first emissions cap system, aiming to reduce greenhouse gas emission by a total of 25% by 2020 from the 2000 level. 80. Tokyo is an example of an urban heat island, and the phenomenon is especially serious in its special wards. 81-82. According to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. 83. The annual mean temperature has increased by about 3 degrees Celsius 5.4 degrees Fahrenheit over the past 100 years. Tokyo has been cited as a convincing example of the relationship between urban growth and climate. 84. In 2006, Tokyo enacted the 10-year project for Green Tokyo to be realized by 2016. It set a goal of increasing roadside trees in Tokyo to 1 million, from 480,000, and adding 1,000 ha of green space, 88 of which will be a new park named Umi no Mori, Sea Forest, which will be on a reclaimed island in Tokyo Bay which used to be a landfill. 85. From 2007 to 2010, 436 ha of the planned 1,000 ha of green space was created and 220,000 trees were planted, bringing the total to 700,000. In 2014, roadside trees in Tokyo have increased to 950,000, and a further 300 ha of green space has been added. 86. Demographics. As of October 2012, the official intercensal estimate showed 13.506 million people in Tokyo, with 9.214 million living within Tokyo's 23 wards. 87. During the daytime, The population swells by over 2.5 million as workers and students commute from adjacent areas. This effect is even more pronounced in the three central wards of Chiyoda, Chuo, and Minato, whose collective population as of the 2005 national census was 326,000 at night, but 2.4 million during the day 88. In 1889, the Home Ministry recorded 1,375,937 people in Tokyo City and a total of 1,694,292 people in Tokyo-fu 89 in the same year. A total of 779 foreign nationals were recorded as residing in Tokyo. The most common nationality was English, 209 residents, followed by American nationals, 182, and Chinese nationals, 137.90. Tokyo historical population since 1920. Registered foreign nationals 91. Nationality. Population, 2018. China. 199,949. South Korea. 90,438. Vietnam. 32,334. Philippines. 32,089. Nepal. 26,157. Taiwan. 18,568. USA. 17,578. India. 11,153. Myanmar. 9,719. Thailand. 7,958. Others. 75,557. This chart is growth rate of municipalities of Tokyo, Japan. It is estimated by census carried out in 2005 and 2010. Increase. 10% and over. 7.5 to 9.9%. 5.0 to 7.4%. 2.5 to 4.9%. 0.0 to 2.4%. Decrease. 0.0 to 2.4%. 2.5 to 4.9%. 5.0 to 7.4%. 7.5 to 9.9%. 10% and over. Population of Tokyo 88. By Area 1. Tokyo Special Wards Tama Area Islands. 12.79 million, 8.653 million, 4.109 million, 28,000. By age 2. Juveniles, age 0 to 14, working, age 15 to 64, retired, age 65 plus. 1.461 million, 11.8%. 8.546 million, 69.3%. 2.332 million, 18.9%. By hours 3. Day-night. 14.978 million, 12.416 million. By nationality. Foreign residents. 364,6534, 2.9% of total. One estimates as of October 1, 2007. 2 as of January 1, 2007. 3 as of 2005 National Census. 4 as of January 1, 2006. Economy. Tokyo Skytree, the tallest tower in the world. Tokyo Stock Exchange. Ginza is a popular upscale shopping area in Tokyo. Bank of Japan headquarters in Chuo, Tokyo. Tokyo Tower at night. Shibuya attracts many tourists. Shibuya Crossing Video, 2008. Tokyo has the largest metropolitan economy in the world. According to a study conducted by PricewaterhouseCoopers, the Greater Tokyo Area, Tokyo-Yokohama, of 38 million people had a total GDP of $2 trillion in 2012, at purchasing power parity, which topped that list. Tokyo is a major international finance center. 92. It houses the headquarters of several of the world's largest investment banks and insurance companies, and serves as a hub for Japan's transportation, publishing, electronics, and broadcasting industries. During the centralized growth of Japan's economy following World War II, many large firms moved their headquarters from cities such as Osaka, the historical commercial capital, to Tokyo, in an attempt to take advantage of better access to the government. This trend has begun to slow due to ongoing population growth in Tokyo and the high cost of living there. Tokyo was rated by the Economist Intelligence Unit as the most expensive, highest cost of living city in the world for 14 years in a row, ending in 2006, when it was replaced by Oslo, and later Paris 93-94. Tokyo emerged as a leading international financial center, IFC, in the 1960s and has been described as one of the three command centers for the world economy, along with New York City and London. 95. In the 2020 Global Financial Centers Index, Tokyo was ranked as having the fourth most competitive financial center in the world, alongside cities such as New York City, London, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Singapore, Beijing, San Francisco, Shenzhen, and Zurich in the top 10, and second most competitive. In Asia, after Shanghai, 9. The Japanese financial market opened up slowly in 1984 and accelerated its internationalization with the Japanese Big Bang in 1998-96. Despite the emergence of Singapore and Hong Kong as competing financial centers, the Tokyo IFC manages to keep a prominent position in Asia. The Tokyo Stock Exchange is Japan's largest stock exchange, and third largest in the world by market capitalization and fourth largest by share turnover. In 1990, at the end of the Japanese asset price bubble, it accounted for more than 60% of the world's stock market value. 97. Tokyo had 8,460 ha, 20,900 acres, of agricultural land as of 2003. 98. According to the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry, and Fisheries, placing it last among the nation's prefectures. The farmland is concentrated in western Tokyo. Perishables such as vegetables, fruits, and flowers can be conveniently shipped to the markets in the eastern part of the prefecture. Komatsuna and spinach are the most important vegetables. As of 2000, Tokyo supplied 32.5% of the komatsuna sold at its central produce market. Citation needed. With 36% of its area covered by forest, Tokyo has extensive growths of cryptomeria and Japanese cypress, especially in the mountainous western communities of Akirano, Ome, Okutama, Hakaiji, Hinode, and Hinohara. Decreases in the price of timber, increases in the cost of production, and advancing old age among the forestry population have resulted in a decline in Tokyo's output. In addition, pollen, especially from cryptomeria, is a major allergen for the nearby population centers. Tokyo Bay was once a major source of fish. Most of Tokyo's fish production comes from the outer islands, such as Izu-Oshima and Hakujojima. Skipjack tuna, nori, and aji are among the ocean products. Citation needed. Tourism in Tokyo is also a contributor to the economy. In 2006, 4.81 million foreigners and 420 million Japanese visits to Tokyo were made. The economic value of these visits totaled 9.4 trillion yen according to the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. Many tourists visit the various downtowns, stores, and entertainment districts throughout the neighborhoods of the special wards of Tokyo, particularly for school children on class trips. A visit to Tokyo Tower is de rigueur. Cultural offerings include both omnipresent Japanese pop culture and associated districts such as Shibuya and Harajuku, subcultural attractions such as Studio Ghibli Anime Center, as well as museums like the Tokyo National Museum, which houses 37% of the country's artwork. National Treasures, 87/233. The Toyosu Market in Tokyo is the largest wholesale fish and seafood market in the world since it opened on October 11, 2018. 99. It is also one of the largest wholesale food markets of any kind. It is located in the Toyosu area of Koto Ward. The Toyosu Market holds strong to the traditions of its predecessor, the Tsukiji Fish Market and Nihonbashi Fish Market, and serves some 50,000 buyers and sellers every day. Retailers, wholesalers, auctioneers, and public citizens alike frequent the market, creating a unique microcosm of organized chaos that still continues to fuel the city and its food supply after over 4 centuries. 100. Transportation. Main article, Transportation in Greater Tokyo. Tokyo Station is the main intercity rail terminal in Tokyo. Haneda Airport. Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway are two main subway operators in Tokyo. Hamazakabashi JCT in Shuto Expressway. Tokyo, as the center of the Greater Tokyo area, is Japan's largest domestic and international hub for rail and ground transportation. However, its airspace has been under the U.S. military's exclusive control after World War II. Public transportation within Tokyo is dominated by an extensive network of clean and efficient 101 trains and subways run by a variety of operators, with buses, monorails, and trams playing a secondary feeder role. There are up to 62 electric train lines and more than 900 train stations in Tokyo. 102 Shibuya Crossing is the world's busiest pedestrian crossing, with circa 3,000 people crossing at a time. 103, 104, 105. As a result of World War II, Japanese planes are generally forbidden to fly over Tokyo. 106 Therefore, Japan constructed airports outside Tokyo. Narita International Airport in Chiba Prefecture is the major gateway for international travelers to Japan. Japan's flag carrier Japan Airlines, as well as all Nippon Airways, have a hub at this airport. Haneda Airport on the reclaimed land at Oda, offers domestic and international flights. As of 2018, some flight routes into Haneda are permitted through Tokyo airspace. 107. Various islands governed by Tokyo have their own airports. Hakojojima Airport, Miyakejima Airport, and Izu Oshima Airport, have services to Tokyo International and other airports. Rail is the primary mode of transportation in Tokyo. Citation needed, which has the most extensive urban railway network in the world and an equally extensive network of surface lines. JR East operates Tokyo's largest railway network, including the Yamanote Line loop that circles the center of downtown Tokyo. It operates rail lines in the entire metropolitan area of Tokyo and in the rest of the northeastern part of Honshu. JR East is also responsible for Shinkansen high-speed rail lines. Two different organizations operate the subway network, the private Tokyo Metro and the governmental Tokyo Metropolitan Bureau of Transportation. The metropolitan government and private carriers operate bus routes and one tram route. Local, regional, and national services are available, with major terminals at the giant railroad stations, including Tokyo, Shinagawa, and Shinjuku. Expressways link the capital to other points in the Greater Tokyo area, the Kanto region, and the islands of Kyushu and Shikoku. To build them quickly before the 1964 Summer Olympics, most were constructed above existing roads. 108 Other transportation includes taxis operating in the special wards and the cities and towns. Also, long-distance ferries serve the islands of Tokyo and carry passengers and cargo to domestic and foreign ports. Education. Main article, Education in Tokyo. See also, List of universities in Tokyo. Tokyo has many universities, junior colleges, and vocational schools. Many of Japan's most prestigious universities are in Tokyo, including University of Tokyo, Hitotsubashi University, Meiji University, Tokyo Institute of Technology, Waseda University, Tokyo University of Science, Sophia University, and Keio University. 109 Some of the biggest national universities in Tokyo are: Hitotsubashi University, National Graduate Institute for Policy Studies, Okonomizu University, Tokyo Gakugei University, Tokyo Institute of Technology, Tokyo Medical and Dental University, Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology, Tokyo University of Foreign Studies, Tokyo University of Marine Science and Technology. Tokyo University of the Arts. University of Electrocommunications. University of Tokyo. There is only one non-national public university, Tokyo Metropolitan University. There are also a few universities well known for classes conducted in English and for the teaching of the Japanese language, including the Globese University Graduate School of Management, International Christian University, Sophia University, and Waseda University. Tokyo is also the headquarters of the United Nations University. Publicly run kindergartens, elementary schools, years 1 through 6, and primary schools, 7 through 9, are operated by local wards or municipal offices. Public secondary schools in Tokyo are run by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Board of Education and are called Metropolitan High Schools. Tokyo also has many private schools from kindergarten through high school. Yasuda Auditorium at the University of Tokyo in Bunkyo. Okumura Auditorium at Waseda University in Shinjuku. Hibiya High School in Chiyoda. Culture. The National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation, also known as Maraikan. Tekashita Street in Harajuku. Tokyo has many museums. In Ueno Park, there is the Tokyo National Museum, the country's largest museum and specializing in traditional Japanese art, the National Museum of Western Art and Ueno Zoo. Other museums include the National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation in Odaiba, the Edo Tokyo Museum in Sumida, across the Sumida River from the center of Tokyo, the Nizu Museum in Aoyama, and the National Diet Library, National Archives, and the National Museum of Modern Art, which are near the Imperial Palace. Tokyo has many theaters for performing arts. These include national and private theaters for traditional forms of Japanese drama. Noteworthy are the National No Theater for No and the Kabuki ZA for Kabuki. 110 symphony orchestras and other musical organizations perform modern and traditional music. The new National Theatre Tokyo in Shibuya is the national center for the performing arts, including opera, ballet, contemporary dance, and drama. 111 Tokyo also hosts modern Japanese and international pop and rock music at venues ranging in size from intimate clubs to internationally known areas such as the Nippon Budokan. The Sanyo Festival in Asakusa. Many different festivals occur throughout Tokyo. Major events include the Suno at High Shrine, the Sanya at Asakusa Shrine, and the biennial Kanda festivals. The last features a parade with elaborately decorated floats and thousands of people. Annually on the last Saturday of July, an enormous fireworks display over the Sumida River attracts over 1 million viewers. Once cherry blossoms bloom in spring, many residents gather in Ueno Park, in Okashira Park, and the Shinjuku-Chion National Garden for picnics under the blossoms. Harajuku, a neighborhood in Shibuya, is known internationally for its youth style, fashion 112 and cosplay. Cuisine in Tokyo is internationally acclaimed. In November 2007, Michelin released their first guide for fine dining in Tokyo, awarding 191 stars in total, or about twice as many as Tokyo's nearest competitor, Paris. As of 2017, 227 restaurants in Tokyo have been awarded, 92 in Paris. 12 establishments were awarded the maximum of 3 stars, Paris has 10, 54 received 2 stars, and 161 earned 1 star. 113. Sports. Main articles: Sports in Tokyo and Football in Tokyo. Japan National Stadium. Ryogoku Kokujikan Sumo Wrestling Arena. Tokyo, with a diverse array of sports, is home to 2 professional baseball clubs, the Yomiuri Giants, who play at the Tokyo Dome, and Tokyo Yakult Swallows at Meiji Jingu Stadium. The Japan Sumo Association is also headquartered in Tokyo at the Ryogoku Kokujikan Sumo Arena, where 3 official sumo tournaments are held annually, in January, May, and September. Football clubs in Tokyo include FC Tokyo and Tokyo Verdy 1969, both of which play at Ajinomoto Stadium in Kofu, and FC Machida Zelvia at Nizuta Stadium in Machida. Basketball clubs include the Hitachi Sun Rockers, Toyota Alvark Tokyo and Tokyo Excellence. Tokyo hosted the 1964 Summer Olympics, thus becoming the first Asian city to host the Summer Games. The National Stadium, also known as the Olympic Stadium, was host to a number of international sporting events. In 2016, it was to be replaced by the new National Stadium. With a number of world-class sports venues, Tokyo often hosts national and international sporting events such as basketball tournaments, women's volleyball tournaments, tennis tournaments, swim meets, marathons, rugby union and sevens rugby games, football, American football exhibition games, judo, and karate. Tokyo Metropolitan Gymnasium, in Sendagaya, Shibuya, is a large sports complex that includes swimming pools, training rooms, and a large indoor arena. According to Around the Rings, the gymnasium has played host to the October 2011 Artistic Gymnastics World Championships, despite the International Gymnastics Federation's initial doubt in Tokyo's ability to host the championships following the March 11 tsunami. 114. Tokyo was also selected to host a number of games for the 2019 Rugby World Cup, and to host the 2020 Summer Olympics and the Paralympics on September 7, 2013. In popular culture, Akihabara is the most popular area for fans of anime, manga, and games. Fuji TV headquarters. As the largest population center in Japan and the site of the country's largest broadcasters and studios, Tokyo is frequently the setting for many Japanese movies, television shows, animated series, anime, web comics, light novels, video games, and comic books, manga. In the kaiju, monster movie, genre, landmarks of Tokyo are usually destroyed by giant monsters such as Godzilla and Gamera. Some Hollywood directors have turned to Tokyo as a backdrop for movies set in Japan. Post-war examples include Tokyo Joe, My Geisha, Tokyo Story, and the James Bond film You Only Live Twice. Recent examples include Kill Bill, The Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift, Lost in Translation, Babel, Inception, The Wolverine, and Avengers, Endgame. Japanese author Haruki Murakami has based some of his novels in Tokyo, including Norwegian Wood, and David Mitchell's first two novels Number 9 Dream and Ghost Written featured the city. Contemporary British painter Carl Randall spent 10 years living in Tokyo as an artist, creating a body of work depicting the city's crowded streets and public spaces 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. International relations. Tokyo is the founding member of the Asian Network of Major Cities 21 and is a member of the Council of Local Authorities for International Relations. Tokyo was also a founding member of the C40 Cities Climate Leadership Group. Sister cities and states. See also, List of twin towns and sister cities in Japan. As of 2021, Tokyo has twinning or friendship agreements with the following 16 cities and states 120. New York City, United States, since February 1960. Madrid, Spain, since April 1965. Beijing, China, since March 1979. Paris, France, since July 1982, 121. Sydney, Australia, since May 1984. Seoul, South Korea, since September 1988. Metro Manila, Philippines, since August 1989. Jakarta, Indonesia, since October 1989. Sao Paulo State, Brazil, since June 1990. Cairo, Egypt, since October 1990. Moscow, Russia, since July 1991. Berlin, Germany, since May 1994. Rome, Italy, since July 1996. Istanbul, Turkey, since March 1998. Delhi, India, since April 2002. London, United Kingdom, since October 2015. Friendship and cooperation agreements. Tomsk Oblast, Russia, since May 2015. Brussels, Belgium, since October 2016. Mumbai, India, since November 2016. Los Angeles, United States, since July 2018. International academic and scientific research. Research and development in Japan and the Japanese space program are globally represented by several of Tokyo's medical and scientific facilities, including the University of Tokyo and other universities in Tokyo, which work in collaboration with many international institutions. Especially with the United States, including NASA, and the many private spaceflight companies. 122 Tokyo universities have working relationships with all of the Ivy League institutions, including Harvard and Yale University, 123 along with other research universities and development laboratories, such as Stanford, MIT, and the UC campuses throughout California. 125 as well as UNM and Sandia National Laboratories in Albuquerque, New Mexico. 126 127 128 other partners worldwide include Oxford University in the United Kingdom, 129 the National University of Singapore in Singapore, 130 the University of Toronto in Canada, 131 and Tsinghua University in China, 132. See also List of cities proper by population. List of cities with the most skyscrapers. List of tallest structures in Tokyo. List of development projects in Tokyo. List of largest cities. List of metropolitan areas in Asia. List of most expensive cities for expatriate employees. List of urban agglomerations in Asia. List of urban areas by population. Megacity. Tokyo dialect. Yamanote and Shitamaki. Notes. No Japanese law has designated Tokyo as the Japanese capital.
Well, hope you like my videos. Hope you like it. Well, maybe that's it.